Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about all the flower plants that can be sown in the month of May. But before that, if you're new to this channel or yet not have subscribed to it, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you will get the first time notification whenever I upload a new video. Though you can still grow all sort of summer plants, but as May and June are going to be the hottest months of the year, so you need to take extra precaution while planting them. First of all, pots should be placed at a partial shaded location or preferably at a shaded location, but at the same time the area should be well lit so you won't be having leggy seedlings, just like under a big tree or up against a wall. And secondly, the potting mix must remain moist all the time. So let's start the list. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Write comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.